In this video, I will be going over a stairway design that you might be able to use. And in this example, the 4x4 that is here is not going to provide a lot of strength because you don't have a lot to bolt it to. And that's the reason why we're going to put this 4x4 in, and it will provide us with some strength. And the top plate here, the 2x4 or a 2x6, will cantilever through and give it some strength. And of course, if you notice, this has a little door in it. And depending upon which way the door opens, it might be a safety issue. And I'll explain more of that here in a little bit. So let's just go ahead and go around here. And I didn't finish this side off here, but it'll finish off the same way that we're using the materials over here, where we're using a 2x2 and a 1x2 at the bottom, a 1x2 at the top. I've done plenty of handrails like this and always have liked them. So not a bad design. And don't forget that a 4-inch round ball or sphere cannot pass through any section of the guardrail. And that's why we had to lower this down to here. And this could actually create a problem for any carpeting you're going to be installing, because you could have a difficult time trimming out the edges. And I'll go over that here in a little bit. So let's go ahead and focus on our door here. And if we use magnets, I believe you're going to be able to open this door from either side. But keep in mind that this right here would need to be even with this 4x4 in order for this to swing all the way around. And to do that, it would mess up our design where we're centering the 1x, but I'm not saying it won't work if we move it all the way over or move it all the way over to the other side if we want the door to swing out and go all the way around. Let's go ahead and open our door so that I can show you a piece of trim here. And the reason why I'm opening the door to the inside is because if we shut it and somebody was to push on the door, it's not going this way. And what is the guardrail designed for? It's designed to protect people from falling off of the stairway. And if this door was to swing out and shut this way, I wouldn't be able to put this protective board here, providing us with an example of a design that's going to be a little more safer to use, because it's going to prevent someone from pushing on it and forcing it open from above. But then you're still going to have to worry about someone like a small child opening the door somehow and falling through this opening. So I don't think it's a good idea. And I'm going to go ahead and stop talking right here. Feel free to watch the rest of the video if you're looking for more details, some close-ups, along with the different views about the design. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.